Hello everybody! Here is the vacuum robot! Yay! Yeah, so I'm so happy this robot is here. Now the cleaning chores is gone! Freedom! Alright, so here is the vacuum robot, sweeper robot. Yield. I have no idea why is it in Swedish. So this package is so light that I can use one finger. If I can, one finger. Ta-da! Okay, yeah, so it works. Right, it's very light. I'm not sure whether is there anything inside here because it's too light for a robot. So let's see whether my unboxing skills have improved, right? I know I'm doing it reverse because there is a notice behind that I don't want you to see for privacy issues. Right? So let's see if I can take it out without any problem, eh? Right, so like this. Ta-da! See that is world-class unboxing after one episode of unboxing. So here is quite easy. Look at that, the white, the red. Look at this. Look at this packaging. It's messed up. Well, hopefully the internal vacuum is all okay. I hope there's any vacuum inside. It's too light. It's so light. Look at that. Alright, there it is. This, my friend, is the ticket to freedom. They use the normal phone charger, not anything special. Here is the vacuum cleaner. It's so light. I think anyone can hold this, even a baby. Look at it, it's so free. On the bottom here looks scratched up. I'm not sure whether they test it or is it just, you know. Oh, stop. That is black color. Looks cool. What did they give you? Is this? I think is for the mop. Oh, here is the vacuum box. Let's take it out. Alright, so it is all in plastic. It's quite simple. Just pull it out, then just push up, and then that's it. This is your dust box where they store all your dust, and you just close it. It is so lightweight, man. If you are going to give this to a girl, whoo, this is really good for girls. You know, it doesn't weigh anything. I can even fly it up. If you drop this, you will die. Alright, so let me try charging it and let's see what happens. So here is the sweeper, the anti-drop for staircase. This 3200 mAh, I would guess is the battery. Here is the obstacle, 2 cm within the obstacle, so it will sense, I would assume. This I'm not sure what's this. It could be an app, but there's no app for this. Right, so this 1.2 kilogram, 3.7 volt. Right, 32 by 32 by 6.5 centimeter. 1800 PA, I would assume is the noise level.
Alright, so I've tested this robot and its anti-fall feature doesn't work. I'm not sure in this price point this is considered a good thing that it didn't fall and it didn't move, so it is still considered anti-fall. I think it's up to you viewers how you perceive it. And the second thing is that the obstacle, it's supposed to be able to run over an obstacle a few inches like this mat for example, but it doesn't. It keeps hitting its head, may cause concussion or stupidity in the end. Another thing is that it's stuck here, so it is not a worry-free robot, in a sense that you get the price for your value. So you still need to watch over this robot. Now my unit became crazy and dumb, so it's stuck at the one spot. It may be just my unit, so you have to test it out with your unit. It may work, I mean it does work, alright. It does get dust, hair, sand and everything, but of course you do not move the vacuum, if not sand will fall off and may have to vacuum again. So right here is the dust, hair I'm showing you right now. So if it does work, it works and you get a value for money. If it doesn't work, then you have wasted your money. So it is an investment. I luckily have warranty period still within the warranty period, and I can refund it. So thank you all for watching. Famous Cybergamer signing out. Click subscribe if you haven't, click like, go to the end of my video and click the playlist. In the playlist there are all my videos all at the corner at the right side. So thank you all for watching.